Uh, Welcome to Noor Online YouTube channel. This is your boy from Noor Online YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at how to use tag on your videos. Tag is a simple descriptive keywords you can add to your video to help viewers find your contents. Let's say your video titles, your thumbnails and descriptions are very important for your YouTube search. So when you want your video to be found, you need a tags that described what the video for. So in order to reach out to more viewers, you need a tag to be put inside the description or in the place of tags on your YouTube video. Well, there is a place where you can generate a tag. There is a website for this one. There's something called Rapid Tag, rapidtags.io generator, this one right here. So the importance of this website, it will allow you to generate a bunch of tags just depending on your videos, the video that you already created, or the video that you already shot and you want other people to find it. So there's a way here. Let's say I'm talking about how to create a YouTube tags right here. So I'm going to put that title right here, and then this website will generate it for me. So, and in order to do this, you simply have to type how to generate tags, or generate YouTube YouTube tags. So just like that. So what I'm going to do next is simply to search for this. We are going to click this search button. So let me click it. Let's wait a little bit. Well, this is it. This is what we have. You can see that right now we have how to tag YouTube videos, how to properly tag your YouTube videos, YouTube tag to get views, YouTube tags, how to rank YouTube videos, and then how to generate tag for YouTube videos, how to tag YouTube videos to get more views, and so on. There are many, and it actually allows you to get these tags, and then you place them inside your video description. There's a place there, and I believe that you know it. So this website can allow you to generate a bunch of tags that you can use on your video depending on the niche or the video that you create. So if you're done generating the tags right here, all you gotta do is simply copy this one. After you copy this, you go direct into your channel, YouTube channel. Let me simply go to the channel. I will come here and I will go to YouTube Studio. Under this, there's a place that we are going to place the tags, so that people can get your content or your video easily. Because you know, on YouTube there's many people that are searching for information, and if people search about your video, it is must that your video will show up on that search button, and it is your video might be likely to be found by them. So this is very important. You need a tag for your video or for your YouTube video. Let me go here. So this is my channel. This is what I have. This is my channel. So let's go direct into content right here. There's a content. Actually, in this channel, I'm not making money. I'm not making much money, though I have a lot of video there. I do not have viewers because most of them are in a different language. So, but for now, let's just focus on this. So what we're gonna do next, we go to content. There's a content right here. Under the content, we are going to look for any video that we can add the description. Let's say if this is the video that you want to put the tag on your YouTube. So what you are going to do right now is simply look for tags. You have to look for this thing called detail right here, this detail, and then you scroll down. You click the detail and then you scroll down. You can see these are the thumbnail of your videos, and then you go down here. So if you cannot see the tag right here, let's say you end up right here and you cannot see that place, what you're gonna do, you have to click this show more. There's a show more right here. You click it, and then you go down up to tag. So this is the tag right here. So these are the tags that I generate already from this website called Rapid Tags. So what I'm going to do right now is simply copying this and then here on this YouTube videos that I already published, I will simply have to delete all of this tag right here, and then I can simply paste what I already copied from the website tag, which is rapidtags.io, something like that, .io. Yes, so here we are going to paste it, and then right click on the system and then paste this. So now you can see that it already generates the tags that we already generate from there. So we can put them there. When you are done, what you're going to do right now is simply save them. So you can simply save, and then people will get your video when they are looking for the video that you already upload on the system. So guys, if you are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe, or you can comment, or do whatever you feel like. And again, share it with the people who need this, because I'm here to help. If you find it useful, thumb up. So put the thumb up. Okay, if this video is bad and you don't want to help, simply put the dislike. That's no problem. All of them, they are useful for me, because I want also to improve myself. So thank you for watching, and God bless you. This is what I want to show you today, and bye.